How to fix carriage jams indicated by an E3 error code on the HP Smart Tank 520, 580, and 5100 printer series. If the carriage inside the printer is clogged or restricted and an E3 error code message appears on the printer control panel display, follow these steps to resolve the error. Step 1. Check for obstructions in the carriage path. If the cancel button on the control panel is lit, press it and wait until the printer is idle and silent. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord. Open the cartridge access door to get to the carriage inside the printer. Gently slide the carriage from side to side to make sure the carriage is not obstructed. Look for and remove any obstructions in the carriage path, such as crumpled paper or dislodged labels. Caution: do not tilt an ink tank printer when attempting to remove obstructions, as ink might spill. If the carriage has a latch, gently press it down to make sure it is locked into place. Caution: if the carriage latch of the printer is already secured, do not press down any further to avoid damaging the printer. Close the printer cartridge access door. Reconnect the power cord and then turn on the printer. Step 2. Reset the printer. Resetting the printer can recover it from errors or failures. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. If the steps in this video did not help fix the issue, contact HP support at support.hp.com for more troubleshooting solutions. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.